In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Zoro's sword in Blox Fruits First C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire the best sword that you can to become Zoro if you are playing in the First C. So you will be able to get this one even if you only have the First C unlocked. So the sword that you have to get is going to be the Triple Katana. For you to get this uncommon sword, all that you have to do is purchase it for 60,000 in the Sword Dealer of the East. So all that you have to do is go over to the Frozen Village in the First Sea. In there, like I mentioned, you will be able to find this NPC, the Sword Dealer of the East. By talking to him, he is going to offer to sell you the triple katana and the pipe. As long as you choose the option to purchase the triple katana for 60,000, you will be able to become Zoro in the first sea. There are other swords that you can acquire in the second and third sea that are going to be even better than the triple katana. For example, the true triple katana that you can get on the second sea, or the cursed dual katana in the third sea. But for the first sea specifically, this one is going to be the best. So all that you have to do is go over to the Frozen Village, talk to the Sword Dealer of the East, and you will be able to get this triple katana. As you might expect, you can also get the standard katana and also the dual katana. These are going to be from different sword dealers. The base katana is going to be from the first sword dealer that you can meet for only 1,000, and the dual katana is going to be from the sword dealer of the west in the pirate village for 12,000. But for the triple katana, which in my opinion is the best suited weapon to become Zoro, you just have to purchase it for 60,000 from the sword dealer of the east. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Zoro Sword and Blox Fruits First C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.